I'm so excited to learn about zoo animals and jungle animals with you today. It's going to be so much fun. Can you do this rhyme with me? A tweet, a roar, and ooh, ooh, ooh. Who's in the zoo playing peekaboo? Peekaboo! It's an elephant. Good job. Wow. It's an elephant. Can you act like an elephant with me? Hoo-woo! Stomp, stomp, stomp. Hoo-woo! Let's swing our trunks. Up and down, and side to side. Hoo-woo! That was so much fun. Stomp, stomp, stomp. We call a baby elephant a calf. Let's pretend that he can't find his mama. Oh, can you say that? Oh, the baby elephant can't find his mama. Can you help? Thank you. Let's call the mama's name. Mama, Mama, Mama. I see the mama. I see the mama. We need to walk through the tall grass to get to the mama. Can you help? Thank you. Walk with me. Walk, walk, walk. We're walking through the tall grass. Walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. We found her! Yay! The calf is so happy to be with his mama again. He says, I love you. I love you, Mama. I love you, Mama. Elephants drink so much water. They drink so much water. I like water too. It's so good for us.
Everybody grab your ticket, follow me. Come inside the zoo, there's so much to see. Look at how the elephants are stomping their feet. Look at that giraffe having leaves to eat. Walking at the zoo. Walking at the zoo, me and you. Walking at the zoo. Walking at the zoo, doodly-doo. I can see an ostrich and her egg, and a pink flamingo standing on one leg. I can see a peacock prancing around, and a lazy lion laying on the ground. Walking at the zoo. Walking at the zoo, me and you. Walking at the zoo. Walking at the zoo, doodly-doo. Swinging around like a monkey in a tree. Swimming around like the penguins, 1, 2, 3. Look at how the sloth moves really slow. Cheetahs are fast, they go, go, go. Now let's wave goodbye to the big baboon. Bye-bye, zoo, we'll see you soon. Walking at the zoo. Walking at the zoo, me and you. Walking at the zoo. Walking at the zoo, doodly-doo.
Let's play more. More. More zoo. Peekaboo.
Peekaboo.
A tweet, a roar, and ooh, ooh, ooh. Who's in the zoo playing peekaboo? Let's check. Peekaboo. Wow, it's a gorilla. Wow, baby gorillas are called infants. How could we act like gorillas? Good idea. Gorilla. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. We're gorillas. Be a gorilla with me. Walking around. Gorilla. Let's pretend that this gorilla can't find his dada. Can you help? Thank you. Let's call his name. Dada. 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 I see the dada. I see the dada. He's up in the tree. He's up in the tree. What should we do? We could climb the tree? Okay, let's climb the tree. Climb with me. We're climbing the tree. Reach, reach, reach. We're climbing a big tree. We did it! We found the dada. The infant is so happy to be with his daddy gorilla again. He's so happy to be with his daddy. He loves his daddy. I love you, Daddy. Let's sing Row, Row, Row Your Boat together. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. This time, let's pretend we see a crocodile. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Oh! So silly.
Miss Rachel, do you know in Australia we have crocodiles?
Wow. What's your favorite animal?
Ooh, my favourite animal is a koala.
My favourite animal is a wonderful dingo.
Oh, well, my favourite animal is a meerkat.
What's your favorite animal? Wow! My favorite is a giraffe. Who is going to come out of the zoo next? I don't know. I don't know. Let's check. We need to do our rhyme. A tweet, a roar, and ooh, ooh, ooh. Who's in the zoo playing peekaboo? Peekaboo! Wow, friends! Wow! It's a tiger family. It's a tiger family. Wow. Let's count how many tigers there are. 1, 2, 3. 3 tigers. Wow.
1, 2, 3.
A baby tiger is called a cub. Yeah. The cub is happy to be with her family.
This is perfect.
tigers can go so fast. Can you run fast like a tiger? Ready, set, go! Running so fast like a tiger. Running so fast and stop. Running so fast like a tiger and stop. Running so fast like a tiger, stop. Whoa, that was awesome. Tigers are also really good at leaping. Can you leap like a tiger? How would you do that? Show me. Wow! I'm going to try leaping like a tiger too. I can do it. I can do it.
I can do it.
1, 2, 3. Leap like a tiger.
Wee! Peekaboo!
A tweet, a roar, and woo woo woo. Who's in the zoo playing Pika? Boo! Peekaboo! It's a lion. Can you say hi to the lion? Hello, lion. Hello, lion. How can we act like a lion? What do you think? Oh, by roaring. That's a good idea. Roar, 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 roar. Roar as loud as you can. Roar. Did you know a lion's roar is so loud it can be heard from 5 miles away? Wow. Let's count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Lazy lion, la la lazy lion, laying around all day. Lazy lion, lounging lazy lion, doesn't even want to play. Sleeps in the sun and under trees. His kind of fun is catching some Z's. Oh, lazy lion, low-key lazy lion, sleeping the day away.
Lions love to sleep. They love to sleep. They sleep 20 hours a day. That's so many hours.
What is the opposite of big? Yes, the opposite of big is small. What is the opposite of loud? Yes, the opposite of loud is quiet. Shh. What is the opposite of full? Yes, the opposite of full is empty. Good job.
The next animal is the tallest animal in the world. Do you know what it is? Peekaboo. What was that? Peekaboo. Did you see that? Peekaboo. What was it? Oh, you're right. It's a giraffe. Wow! The giraffe is the tallest animal in the world. How could we pretend to be a giraffe? Good idea! Let me see you do it. Wow, I'm going to try being a giraffe too. Reaching up so high, so tall. Giraffes are the tallest animal in the world. Wow. I'm a giraffe eating leaves. Can you eat leaves like a giraffe? Yummy leaves. We're really tall giraffes. What?
Oh, no.
Oh, what?
Oh, no.
Oh, what?
Lucky, he's fallen asleep.
Uh-oh. Lockie's fallen asleep and we need him for the show. Can you help? Thank you. How about on the count of 3, we say, wake up, Lockie. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Wake up, Lucky.
Thanks for waking me up, everybody.
Beauty, mate.
A tweet, a roar, and ooh, ooh, ooh. Who's in the zoo playing Pika? Boo! You did it! Boo! Boo! Pika! Boo! Wow!
Whoa. I'm okay.
What is that, friends? Yes! That's right. Yes, it's a penguin. It's a penguin. How do penguins walk? Can you show me? Wow! You're right. They waddle around. Waddle, waddle, waddle. Waddle, waddle, waddle. We're penguins. Waddle, 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 waddle. Oh, can you say that? Oh, the penguin needs to eat. We have to feed the penguin. The penguin needs to eat. The penguin needs to eat. I know. We need to crawl through the ice tunnel and feed the penguin a fish. Can you help? The penguin is so hungry. The penguin is so hungry.
Let's crawl together. Let's go.
We made it through the tunnel. Get out your fish. Here's the fish penguin. Oh, the penguin's eating the fish.
Thank you so much, friends.
We did it. We fed the penguin a fish. Say, I did it. I did it. I did it. I'm proud of myself. Do you know what this is? It's an egg. It's an egg from my refrigerator, so that means a chicken laid it. But I'm pretending that it's a penguin egg. Penguins lay eggs and they protect them and keep them warm. Can you pretend to keep an egg really warm, like a penguin? They have to keep it warm from the really cold weather. Keep your egg warm. How could we keep it so warm? Keep it so warm, warm up your egg. Peekaboo! Look who it is! It's a duck. Duck. Quack, quack. The duck is quacking. Can you quack? Quack, quack. Quack, quack. 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 Good job. The duck is clapping because you quacked. The duck is clapping for you. The duck is happy. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. Can you feed the duck? Put out your hand. Put out your hand. The duck is eating the food. The duck likes to eat the food. So cute. Get out your 5 little ducks. Good job. 5 little ducks went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little ducks went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. 1, 2, 3. 3 little ducks went out one day show me one? Just one finger. One little duck went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but none of the 5 little ducks came back. Mother duck is feeling very sad. Sad mother duck went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 and all of the 5 little ducks came back. Yay! The duck found its mama. Who is in the tree? Who's in the tree? Let's see. Let's take them out. Take it out, take it out, take it out. Oh, wow, look. It's a little bird. Aw. Tweet, tweet. Can you tweet like a bird? Tweet, tweet. Fly like a bird. Can you fly around? Oh, I'm flying like a bird. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet. We're pretending to be birds. Fly around. Flying. Who's in the tree? Oh, look. It's a bunny. Say out. Take it out, take it out, take it out. We took it out of the tree. Can you say hi to the little bunny? Hi, bunny. Hello. Hi, bunny. Can you hop like a bunny? Hop, hop, hop and stop. Let's do more hopping. Hop, hop, hop and stop. Good job! Wow, you did it. Who else is in the tree? Say out, say out, say out, say out. Oh, wow, it's a little owl. Hi, owl. What does an owl say? Hoo, hoo, hoo. Can you pretend to be an owl? Hoo, hoo, hoo. We're owls. Who's in the tree? I don't know. Let's check. Say out. Take it out, take it out, take it out. We took it out. It's another owl. How many owls do we have? Let's count. 1, 2. 2 little owls. Hoo, hoo, hoo. Say out, say out, say out. Aw, it's a little fox. Can you say fox? Fox. Fox begins with an F. Fox. Good job. Take it out, take it out, take it out. Wow, it's a little raccoon. Hi, raccoon. Can you say hi to the raccoon? Hi, raccoon. Bye-bye, raccoon. Take it out, take it out, take it out. It's our last one. This one is a little squirrel. So cute. Can you pretend to be a squirrel eating nuts? I'm a little squirrel. I'm eating my nuts. That's so fun. Let's put them back in and count how many friends we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. We have 7 friends in the tree. Good job! I'm proud of you. You are so smart, wonderful, and important. You're an amazing kid. Let's learn together again soon. Bye-bye, friends. Bye-bye, friends. Bye-bye, friends. We'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye. Great job today.